So good day, my people. I have the first and official video mega for this year, and like Ilanya na no my godfather can I camera video go around can you go to this place. So Ilanya na video mega now a kind of Thanksgiving video for this year and for like last year 2025. Last year was a very grateful year from like last year 2025 home made me a very good thing. So I'm not use with this platform, not use with this medium. Yotra, ekele verified Igbo rappers. Thank you my boss. I can remember video post video on Facebook that time we reposted my video. And we reposted video almost 7,000 views with engagement here. People commented very well and they share my video. So thank you my boss. So I'm not use this platform with Miss Louise. Miss Louise reposted them like 3 times on TikTok. So I say thank you. I'm very grateful for that. For this. And hopefully I'm back on TikTok. So I say thank you for following back and for reposting me on TikTok or this. So my mentor Imodia is nothing. I am very grateful for reposting the post on my S. Wow, reposted him like 2 times. Reposted on my S. Thank you very much. So I'm not Lord Ayan. Lord Ayan reposted him on my S, but formerly known as Twitter. Reposted me so thank you for this. I'm not Lucky Joe and Funny Boy. Now my friend and my brother. Or these, some of the contents I'm able to make. Without them, I would not possible like that. So I'm not and say, Lucky John and Funny Boy, thank you. I'm very grateful for that. This year, I gave video, so I'm not Facebook, I appreciate, thank you very much. When we draw this content, when we draw skits and mega, now I write from SS2 can be there. And sometimes I do reason say, the question game make here, the question game blow. Sometimes I say I'm happy this thing. This kid mega na hinder me, but thank you Facebook for monetizing me. And you can hope, say LAMBAR, you see you can keep going. So I will continue creating content over here. So some of my friends, my classmates, let me come encourage na my DM and then they follow come and they repost my video. And now some number you see I'm at one day I'm gonna make it. I want to get blow. So thank you very much for this. So Oto Shedere very soon nga hapa gawo were like I want to chukwa banga no ngaba but ngebe so were like maybe ending of this February or ending of January or beginning of February nga no were and go name my contents, name my skits. So thank you very much for this, for the support room, my celebrity in the repost room. Thank you very much.